what probably would have happened is the snake probably would have come down at night, just as it got dark. And the problem would have been, it would have been really hard to see at night, so it would have only increased the chance of the snake being hit. It's not happy, but anyway, hook went gone. So there we go. So carpet python, he's chilled down a little bit now. I imagine it's going to slow up traffic, everyone watching this, but anyway, I'm so glad someone actually called this in, because that could have been pretty bad for the snake. It's not a very safe place to be, but we'll get this one back out in the bush and away from all these cars. Pretty cool.